Okay, so first write given vector f. Given f vector is equal to x square plus y square into I minus 2xyj. Okay, taken around the rectangle bounded by x equal to 0, x equal to a, and y equal to 0 and y equal to a. So let us see the diagram of all these curves. Okay, and then write first given curves. Before that, first we are performing what is it? Line integral, right? So for line integral, we need this one also, right? Dr vector. So dr vector is nothing but dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Okay, so implies we need to find f dot dr for this. F dot dr is equal to x square plus y square into dx plus minus 2xy dy. Here k is not there, so plus 0 will come. So this is f dot dr. Now write the given curves. Given curves are x equal to 0, x equal to a, y equal to 0, y equal to b. Okay. So if you are taking x equal to 0, on which axis x is 0?
Y axis.
On y axis x value will be 0. Correct. So for that sake, we'll consider this line as x equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, x equal to a. How does x equal to a? Yes. How to represent x equal to a line?
Exactly.
Huh? X equal to a. Yes.
Line is parallel to x-axis.
Parallel to? No. Parallel to y-axis. So that means this line is nothing but x equal to a. Fine. This will be parallel to y-axis. When x equal to a, you have to write the line, straight line, parallel to y-axis. Okay. Similarly, y equal to 0. How does it will be? Y equal to 0.
Along OA.
Along
OA.
OA. OA means this is x-axis, right? So we call this as y equal to 0. Similarly, y equal to b. Remaining line, what is there here? This line. So this line is nothing but y equal to b, which is parallel to x-axis. Okay. So since we got a square, so how will you find the area of this one? using line integral? We have done many ways, right? Sorry, many problems we did on this, right? How to find line integral for this? Yes. You only have to tell how to find the line integral along this for the to find out the area of this square. We need to find this one, right? Integration along each side. Okay. So whenever you are performing any integral, to find out a area of any shape, you have to perform through sides because it's a line integration. Okay. So through particular line or through particular curve, we have to integrate. Okay. Surface integral means at a time you can take the two limits at a time and you can do the integration, double integration. But whenever you are applying line integral, you have to go by sides only in particular direction. Wherever it is start and finally it has to end at that point only. Okay. So here we are having O point here, A point here. So this line is also called as OA line. Okay. So this line is called as AB line. Similarly, this one is a BC line and this is CD line. Okay. So along these lines, you need to find the integral. Okay. Total 4 integrations we have to do. Okay. So let us start the integration. Integration along OA. Okay. So integration along OA means what we need to take here. First we have to convert this f dot dr in terms of either x variable or y variable. Okay. So for that sake, what information will be available on OA line? Yes. On OA line here only I have written right. Y equal to 0 you have to take on OA. Implies if you differentiate with respect to x, what happens? dy equal to 0. So implies you take this as equation 1. Okay. So f dot dr is equal to how much you'll get? Y you have to substitute 0 and dy equal to you have to take it as 0. So x square plus 0 dx minus 2 into x into 0 into 0. So implies f dot dr value, how much you'll get? X square dx. So if you apply integration on both sides, integral f dot dr over the line OA is equal to integral x square dx. So what are the limits for x through OA line?
0 to A.
So 0 to A. Okay. So implies x cube by 3 along the limits 0 to A. So you'll get the answer as a cube by 3. So integration along OA line f dot dr is equal to a cube by 3. Fine. Next, we need to find second integral, that is integration along AB line. Okay. So how will you find integration along AB line? First we have to convert either a y variables in terms of x variables or x variables in terms of y variables. But here one information is available through AB line. What is it? Which equation AB line means?
X equal to A.
So take x equal to a here. Implies dx is equal to 0 because differentiation with respect to y, if you do left hand side dx by dy equal to differentiation of constant will be 0. So dx will be 0. So from equation 1 you can write f dot dr is equal to how much? X value is a, so write a square plus y square into dx is 0 minus 2 into a into y dy. Okay, so f dot dr is equal to how much you'll get? Minus 2ay dy. So apply integration f dot dr along the line AB is equal to minus 2a integral y dy. Okay, so how much you'll get? Minus 2a into y square by 2 along the limits. So where does the limits for y?
0 to B.
0 to b. Correct. A point is a comma 0 and b point is b a comma b. So a value is constant, b value is varying. So 0 to b. So 0 to b you substitute. So what is the overall answer? Minus 2a b square by 2. So cancel it. Minus a b square. Okay, so integration along AB line is nothing but minus AB square. Okay, so next third integration is along BC line. So along BC line, what is here? Along BC line, y equal to b line it is.
Equal to B.
So take y equal to b implies how much you'll get? Differentiation with respect
dy
to
is equal
x.
to 0.
So dy equal to 0 from equation 1. F dot dr value is equal to how much you'll get? X square plus y square. So x square plus b square into dx minus 2x into b. Sorry, 2x into b into dy is 0. So this one is equal to x square plus b square into dx. So this is the value of f dot dr. Okay, so find the integration along this. F dot dr along BC line is equal to integration x square plus b square into dx. So what is the limits? Limits are from where to where? A to? Huh?
0 to B. 0 to A.
No, BC line. B to
A to
C.
0.
A to 0.
A to 0.
Okay. Along BC line, A to 0 will get. So implies, what is the answer? X cube by 3 plus b square x having the limits from a to 0. So this one is equal to, how much will get? First 0 will get minus a cube by 3, again minus ab square. Okay. So integration along BC line f dot dr is equal to minus a cube by 3 minus ab square. Similarly, fourth one, along CD line. Okay, along CD line, what is it?
Y
We have written here
is equal to 0.
x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 implies bx equal to 0. Okay, find out integration. Sorry, before that, from equation 1, you have to write f dot dr is equal to 0 square plus y square into dx, dx is 0 minus 2 into 0 into y into dy. Okay, so how much will get? 0, right?
0.
So f dot dr is equal to 0. So implies integration along CD line f dot dr is equal to 0 we got. Okay. So therefore the overall integral, total integral or integral f dot dr over a given curve C is equal to integral f dot dr along OA line plus integral AB line f dot dr integral BC line f dot dr plus integral CD line f dot dr. So this one equal to, how much you get? A cube by 3 next minus AB square, next third one minus A cube by 3 minus 2 sorry, minus AB square plus 0. Okay, so these two get cancelled. What is the answer? Minus 2a b square. Okay, so this is overall integral, or you can write this one as surface integral del cross f dot n cap ds. So this value is nothing but minus 2a b square. Fine. Any doubts? Yes, Kirti. Sorry, Kirtan. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next, we'll perform the same thing in surface integral and we'll check the answer, whether we get the same answer or not. Okay, so by Stokes theorem, okay, so integral f dot dr over a curve C is equal to double integral del cross f dot n cap ds. Okay, so this is surface integral. So let us see how does it will work out. So first we need to find del cross f. So del cross f is equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. So here x square plus y square, here minus 2xy, here 0 because k quotient is not there in f. So this one is equal to I into dou by dou y of 0. So you'll get 0. Dou by dou z of xy. So it's a constant 0. Next minus j into dou by dou x of 0. So it is 0 minus dou by dou z of x square plus y square. So z variable is not there. So it is a constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. Plus k into dou by dou x of minus 2xy. So this is minus 2y. Again minus differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to y. Again you'll get 2y. So del cross f value is minus 4y. Here k is there. I'll write that k. Okay. Since we are having n cap ds value is dy dz I plus dx dz j plus dx dy k. Okay, so we need to do the dot product between these two. Okay, so implies del cross f dot n cap ds is equal to, so minus 4 yk dot dy dzi plus dx dzj plus dx dyk. Okay, so this one is equal to, so I quotient is 0 here, so 0 you'll get, again plus 0 you'll get, k dot k value is 1, so minus 4y into dx dy you'll get. So implies del cross f dot n cap ds is equal to minus 4y dx dy. Now apply surface integration on both sides. So I'll get surface integral del cross f dot n cap ds is equal to, here you need to write limits. So how to write limits, we'll check once. Dx dy. So if you want to observe the limits, you have to write the diagram. So I'll write the diagram here. Okay. So we got a square here, square or rectangle. So this line is nothing but a comma 0 here, this point, this is a, this is o, and this is b, and this is c. Okay, here the point is a comma b, and here the point is a comma 0. Okay, sorry, 0 comma b here, 0 comma 0 here. Okay. Now outer integral here is dy. Okay. So what are the limits for y in this region? Okay, limits for y from where to where it is ending. Maximum b value and minimum y maximum y value and minimum y value you have to tell. What is the minimum value for y? Origin, right? In origin y value is 0. So what is the maximum point? Either you can compare C point or B point. Maximum how much point it has went? B, right? So maximum y value is B here. Next, dx limits in terms of variables or this you have to find. Okay, so in terms of variables we don't have, in terms of numbers only we have. Okay, since because all these lines are passing through a constant line. Okay, so what are the limits for dx? Where does it is starting and where does it is ending? You have to write in this manner, left to right.
Zero to
So on y-axis, 0 to
0 to a.
0 to a will get. Okay, so apply the limits and evaluate the integral. So this one is equal to integral 0 to b, okay, minus 4y dx. So that means minus 4, sorry, I'll write this minus 4 outside, minus 4 yx having the limits from 0 to a dy is equal to minus 4 integral 0 to b. Okay, so if you apply a in the place of x, you'll get ay dy. Okay, so this one is equal to minus 4a is constant, integral y dy. This is y square by 2, having the limits from 0 to b. So here 2 ones, 2 twos. Okay, so minus 2a b square will get. So finally the answer is minus 2a b square. Here on the left hand side, surface integral del cross f dot n cap ds. Okay, so this value we got it as minus 2a b square. So implies we got the same value for line integral and the surface integral. Okay, so Stokes theorem is verified. Fine. Let's go through it once. We'll go for next one. So we'll see the similar kind of problem here. So observe this one. Here they have given f vector is same, x square plus y square into I minus 2xy j. Okay, so taken around the rectangle bounded by the lines x is equal to plus or minus a, y equal to 0 and y equal to b. So first let us write er is equal to dxi plus dyj. Here k is not there, you can write this much only. So implies f dot dr is equal to x square plus y square into dx, again minus 2xy dy. Okay, so take this as equation 1 and the given curves you write. Given curves are x equal to plus a is 1, x equal to minus a is 1, next y equal to 0 and y equal to b. Okay, so how to plot the graph? Okay, so this is y axis and this is x axis. Okay, so x equal to a, where will come? Where does it will come? Suppose this point is a comma 0, if you assume. Okay, so x equal to e is a straight line parallel to y axis. Okay, so this is x equal to a. Similarly, y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means on x axis y will be 0. So this is the line. Okay, x equal to minus a, where does it will come? Somewhere here, minus a comma 0 if I take. So this is x equal to minus a line. Okay, similarly y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 we have done. So this is nothing but x axis. So this is x equal to a we have written. Next, y equal to b. Y equal to b is a parallel line to x axis. So this is b comma 0, sorry, 0 comma b. So you have to write a parallel line through this. So now what is this intersection point and this intersection point? That you have to check. So I am denoting this as A and denoting this as B. This is C and this is D. Okay. So what is C and D points? C point is A comma B because this is the intersection of x equal to A and y equal to B. Here this also minus A comma B. Okay, so now we have drawn the diagram. Just like previous problem, we have to draw the integration and find the surface integral according to this. So it is very similar to previous problem. Okay, so same kind of diagram since it is passing through origin, but this one is having left hand side, that is x equal to minus a to x equal to a and y equal to 0 to y equal to b. So by seeing this diagram, complete this problem. Okay, fine, you are able to draw the line, right? You need to find integration f dot dr around the curve C, which is nothing but integral AB line. First you need to find f dot dr plus integral BC line you have to draw f dot dr plus integral CD line you have to write f dot dr plus integral DA line you have to find f dot dr. Okay, so complete this problem. So final answer you should get it as minus 4a b square.